I am Shamsul Alam Patwari, Senior Lecturer in Management, Dhaka Mega City College. Dear students, how are you? Sharian? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. I am going to start your business organization and management subject, second paper, chapter 1. Previous class, what was the subject? We discussed about it. Importance of management. Okay, thank you. Listen. Mohit, can you tell me what are the elements of management? Man, money, machine, materials, method, market. Okay, thank you, Mohit. Thank you. Today we discuss about management cycle. Now write down on your copy management cycle. We know that to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to coordinate, to command, and to plan. So, when we draw the functions of management in a cycle, it's called management cycle. Write down the definition. When we draw the functions of management. Functions of management in a cycle is called management cycle. So management cycle is given below. Follow the cycle. How many functions of management are there? 7 functions. Number 1 function, planning. Number 2, organizing. Number 3, staffing. Number 4, leading and direction. Number 5, motivation or motivating. Motivating. Number 6, coordinating. Number 7, controlling. Planning. Any type of advanced decision for future task is called planning. Then organizing. Organizing means to delegate the power and authority to the employees or workers and establishing relationship and achieve their goal in time. Number 3, staffing. Personnel, collection, selection, promotion, transfer, suspend, layout. Leading and direction. Then come leading and direction. Order, advice, request to the employees or workers or operate the organizational task on the proper way is called leading. Then motivating. Motivating means to inspire the employees or workers for completing their task is called motivating. There are mainly two types of motivation: financial motivation and non-financial motivation. Then coordination or coordinating. Coordination means to coordinate workers with workers, works with plan, division with division. Then we can achieve our target. Then controlling. At first we observe the employee's task. If found the problem, then we should solve the problem or correction the problem. That is called controlling. Handicap says that if we follow the functions of management one by one, then we can achieve our target in time or within a short time. So the last function of management, controlling. First function of management, planning. and last function of management is controlling. Without any important functions of this, we cannot achieve our goal on the proper way or proper time. So we should follow the functions of management one by one. That is why we should follow the functions of management. But then can you tell me what is the first function of management? Planning. Thank you. Vishal, can you tell me what is the last function of management? Controlling. Thank you. Okay, dear students, now write down your today's question. Explain the management cycle. If we follow the cycle, then we can achieve our target. We can solve our problem. Okay, best of luck. See you again. Allah Hafiz.